This is how you're going to set up SMS text messaging on ManyChat. So ManyChat isn't just for social media, you can send text messages to your customers too. So first step, we're going to head over to our ManyChat dashboard, and then from here, you're going to head over to the left side panel and then click on settings right here. Now from here, you're going to scroll down at the left side panel and then you're going to click on SMS. So this one allows us to set up our SMS messaging. So we're just going to click on connect right here and then it will tell you all of the steps that you need to do. So first, you're going to have to sign up for Twilio. You have to obtain a phone number that will be used to send your automations, and then you're going to connect your Twilio account with ManyChat. So we're just going to click on this blue icon right here and then we're going to sign up with Twilio. So now that I have signed up to Twilio, this is actually very easy, just like how you would sign up to any other account. You're just going to enter your email, verify your email, and then you're going to enter your phone number and then verify your phone number as well. So I just didn't show you this because this part is very confidential to me, but you can do it on your own. Just head over to console.twilio.com and then sign up with an account. Now from here, I'm just going to follow all of the prompts that they asked me. And then just keep on clicking on next until we get the account. So we're just going to click on with code, verifications, notifications. Now that I have my Twilio account, we're going to head over back into ManyChat and then we're going to click on connect right here. Now we're just going to have to obtain our Twilio account as ID, Twilio auth token, and the Twilio phone number that we have verified. So I'm going to first obtain the account as ID. So you can obtain your Twilio account as ID by going back to Twilio, and then from here you're gonna head over to your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then you're going to click on user settings right here. Now this will take you to this settings page. So you have here your personal information and then your phone number as well, and then under this personal information you're going to click on the user as ID right here. You're going to copy this one, and then we're going to head back to ManyChat and then we're going to paste it right here. Now we're going to obtain our auth token as well. You're also just going to copy your auth token from your Twilio. However, this one is a made up one because I don't want to show my auth token to protect my privacy and my account. So after that, you're just going to enter the phone number that you have signed in or verified in Twilio with. So in my case, it's just this one. And once you have everything set up, all you have to do is to just click on connect right here and you should be done. And that is how you're going to set up SMS messaging in ManyChat. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.